enter PDF of function of xy given by this one. Determine the value of k so that xy is joint PDF, hence compute the following. So this one means this one is bivariate distribution of coordinate type. So for this one, so we're going to say k from this one from negative infinity to infinity, from negative infinity to infinity, dx dy should be equal to 1. So that means k from 2 to 4, 0 to 2, 6 minus x minus y, dx dy should be equal to 1. When we come here, so we are going to get, when we differentiate this one, so we are going to get k from 2 to 4, 6x minus x squared over 2 minus xy from 0 to 2 should be equal to 1. So we are going to get k, we integrate from, when we solve this one, so we are going to integrate from 2 to 4. 12 minus 2 minus 2y dy is equal to 1. So that means k from 2 to 4, 10 minus 2y dy is equal to 10. No, it's equal to 1, sorry. So when we integrate this one, so you are going to get k from 10 minus y squared 2 to 4 is equal to 1. When we substitute this one to this, so you are going to get y k, get 24 minus 16 is equal to 1. 8k is equal to 1. That means k is equal to 1 over 8. So that is the number 1. We have determined the values of k. So we come to number 2. Number 2, probability that x is less than 1, y is less than 3. So when we come here, that means we are going to integrate from, already we have the values of k. So we are going to say fxy is equal to 1 over 6 minus x minus y. So we are going to integrate from, this one is constant, this one is from x, y is equal to less than 3. That means this one is from 2 to 3. This one is from 0 to 1, x minus dx dy. So when we integrate the first step, so we're going to get 1 over 8 to 2, 3, 6x minus x squared over 2 plus xy 0, 1. So I'm going to get 1 over 8 6 minus a half minus y. So after this one, we are going to get 1 over 8, 2 to 3, 11 over 2 minus y dy. So when we integrate this one, we are going to get 1 over 8, 11 over 2y minus y squared over 2 from 2 to 3. So that means we are going to get our answer is, when this one is subtracted to this one, this one is this one, so we are going to get 12 minus 9, which is equal to 3 over 8. This is the final answer of number 2. So when we come to 3, number 3, become probability that x plus y is less or equal to 3. So for this one, that means function of xy is integrable over a region A, where A is equal to, so this means that where A, the area region, is equal to function of xy, x plus y less than 3. So that means x plus y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 minus x. So when we plot this one, it's look like this one. So this one is y, this one you can see this one is 3. This point, we have another point. Because 0 is less than x, less than 2, and 2 is less than y, less than 4, we come here, we say this one is x 1, this one is 2, this one. So y is equal to 2, this one. Y is equal to 2. This can be x, y is equal to 4. But we need y is equal to 3, is equal to this one. So this one is 2, 3, 4. That means we can say 3 minus x is equal to 2. This line. So that means x is equal to 1. So they are going to meet here. So when we are going to plot, this one should be passed through this line. So that means this area we want. So that means we are going to say integral from 0 from x equal to from 0 to 1. This is 0 to 1. Then this y is from x. This one should be this line is equal to 3 minus x. So that means this one is 2. From 2 to 3 minus x. 1 over 8 dy dx. So because we are going to start with dy, because this one is complex. So for this one, so we are going to get 1 over 8 from 0 to 1. When we integrate this one, so we are going to get 6y minus x squared over 2 minus xy from 2 to 3 minus x dx. So for this one, so we are going to get 1 over 8 from 0 to 1. This one get x 6, 3 minus, we substitute this one to this one, minus x 3 minus x minus 3 minus x squared over 2 minus, substitute this one with 2, so I'm going to get 12 minus 2x minus 2. So when we do this one, we are going to get 1 over 8, 0 to that one, 7 over 2 minus 4x minus plus x squared over 2 dx. So when we continue, so we are going to get We need to differentiate this one again, so we're going to get 7x over 2 minus 2x squared plus x cubed over 6 to 0 to 1. So here we are going to get 1 over 8, 7 over 2 minus 2 plus 1 over 6, which is equal to 1 over 8 plus 10 over 6, which is equal to 10 over 48, which is equal to, when we divide it by 2, we are going to get 5 over 24. That's the final answer. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Thank you.